What's up guys, we have already seen plenty of rumors and the renders of the upcoming Huawei P50 series, and today we have our first live look at the vanilla P50. Yeah guys, the images come with the courtesy of the reliable tipster Digital Chat Station, who shared them on his Weibo account. We can see the display, which is rumored to measure in at 6.3 inches. Will support a much smaller centered punch hole cutout this time around instead of the pill-shaped one on the P40. More importantly, we can see the huge camera cutout on the back composed of two large circles which should house 4 camera sensors of total. The P50 series is rumored to debut with the Sony's 1-inch IMX800 sensor, which would be the largest camera on a phone to date. The remaining modules are expected to fit an ultra-wide and the telephoto lens as well as a 3D TOF sensor. Samsung has recently introduced the ISOCELL GN2 1/1.12-inch mobile camera sensor, which has become the largest mobile image sensor on the market. Samsung's lead in this area won't last long, according to a recent leak, as Sony prepares to unveil its first 1-inch mobile camera sensor, the IMX800. A second leak from the blogger from Technology U provides an even better look at the P50's rear camera, giving us a look at all 4 cameras. Both new leaks also details Harmony operating system logo, which further reinstates Huawei's possible switch from Android. The Huawei P50 series, P50, P50 Pro and the P50 Pro Plus is expected to launch around May or June in white, black, blue and the beige colors. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.